Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're exposing the hidden enemy, quietly destroying Tampa Bay homes from the ground up.
So what invisible threat is lurking right beneath your feet, quietly eating away at your foundation?
It's mold, and it's totally fueled by Tampa's brutal humidity, which regularly spikes above 90% at night.
Since mold needs just 60% humidity to grow fast, Tampa crawlspaces are basically literal mold factories.
Old-school passive venting absolutely fails here. It just sucks more of that wet Florida air right under your house.
So what's the big deal? Well, these fungi literally feast on the structural wood holding up your floorboards.
Even worse, the stack effect pulls those toxic mold spores right up into your family's living room.
Watch out for warning signs, like weird musty smells, bouncy floors, or even unexplained respiratory issues popping up indoors.
Now, DIY bleach treatments totally fail. Why? Because surface scrubbing completely ignores the damp soil feeding the mold's roots.
So, how do we stop this? Let's break down the 4 precise steps professionals use to fix it permanently.
Step 1. The pros hunt down the water source using moisture meters to map out all the unseen damage.
Next up, containment. Heavy-duty HEPA scrubbers ensure that disturbing the mold doesn't infect the rest of your house.
Then comes the deep clean. They remove ruined materials and blast structural wood with hardcore, root-killing antimicrobial treatments.
Finally, the ultimate fix. They install a thick 10 mil vapor barrier to permanently lock out that rising ground moisture.
The takeaway here? DIY usually just spreads spores around, while going pro actually gives you a permanent, safe fix.
If there's a leak, time is in your friend. Microscopic mold can explode into a massive infestation incredibly fast.
To stop it forever, you seriously need a flawless, sealed vapor barrier covering 100% of the dirt.
Pair that barrier with a dedicated continuous crawlspace dehumidifier to strictly lock humidity below 55%.
Plus, Florida law requires disclosing mold history. If ignored, this problem can completely derail your future real estate sales.
Ignoring this is incredibly costly. So are you absolutely certain what's breathing beneath your own floorboards right now?